Hey guys, it's me, Deshlina. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, as you've seen, so we have an extra video. I have a very exciting announcement to announce, so make sure to keep watching and I'll announce it by the end of this video. So let's get into the video. So today we'll be doing something with the candle. I'm very excited. I've never done this before. I'm just experimenting, just so you know. We are not going to paint it because it's a bit dangerous. Paint can be flammable. There are specific paints for candles, but I don't have those today. Also, there's like a procedure you have to do to paint it. So today we'll just be carving a candle. I hope you enjoy. All you need is something to carve your candle. It could be a pencil either, it doesn't matter, just something sharp, and your candle. I have this, I bought it a few days ago and I'm very excited to use it. So let's start. I'm not sure what I'm gonna carve. I'm just going with it. I'm going to start maybe with some petals, and then I'm just going to do something very abstract, like shapes and things like that. I don't know yet. We'll see. Let's go. I guess I want to start from the top, okay? And just kind of go down like here. Can you see this line? So from here goes here, and then you can always draw first your design and then go with it, but I always like to just start and do whatever because it's fun. No one is gonna see it, it's just me. It doesn't matter, honestly. It's just for fun, just to relax as well, just do whatever you want, you know. So let's start. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my also have a paper underneath me so everything crumbles on the paper and not on myself. Just so you know, guys, I forgot to mention that. We don't want to make things messy because then someone needs to clean them, and that's not gonna be me. As you can see, I just finished this part. It's like a petal. We can do more details later, but for now, I guess I was thinking to go all the way around the top. Okay, let's just go all the way around the top. Why not? Why not? We start from one of our already lines here that we carved, and we'll go down, and basically all the petals will be connected. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. I just messed it up. It's okay. Oh my god. Guys, we're not supposed to be professional. We can do it though. It's okay. Just believe in yourself. You can carve a candle. Okay, I went over it a couple of times and I just cleaned like the inside I carved just to make it more clean, and now I'm thinking of doing something here. I don't really like this shape, so I might just carve it and just, I don't know. Okay. I might just make it look like an actual petal of itself, like make it more pointy maybe. Okay, let me tell you something. It actually doesn't look bad. You can't really see it. Here it is. I made it more pointy, as you can see, and I just left like this part. I carved it like this to make it pointy, but then in between this is still there. Like I didn't carve that part because I wanted to have more like a texture, a 3D texture. You can always just go for it however you want, but I did it like this and it's actually kind of pretty. So I'm gonna do the same on the rest of the flowers and I'll come back and show you what I did, okay? So I have finished this part. As you can see, it looks very interesting. Very interesting. I'm not gonna comment on that. As you can see, this looks very pretty. I really like this. It's not asymmetrical. It's asymmetrical and it looks nice. What I want to do now is like make some lines here for the petals, just like 3 lines maybe, like this. Can you see? Yes, here. I think it looks pretty, so I'll do the same on each one of my petals. Also, I already went on top after I finished the carving and I just cleaned the middles so it's nice and clean. And yeah, let's go. We can do this, we can do this. Okay, look at this. This is done. It looks okay. Doesn't look that bad. It could go worse, okay? We are doing okay. Now we're just going to do whatever. We are going to do all out. I'll just start doing lines. It's really up to you. You can always do what I'm doing, but you don't have to. I don't have a plan ready, so I always like to just go do whatever I have in my mind or just let my hand do the work, okay? So if you want to do what I'm doing, as you can see, I started going like this and I'm just going for it and just really going for it though. And I reached the end. So just cleaning this up a bit. Sort of looks like a river. I like it. Let's do more lines like that, like close to each other. Can you see? I have 2 lines now. I'm not really doing a continuous line. I'm just going whatever because the waves don't really connect with each other. They're just, you know, lines. That didn't make sense, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just 2 lines. Be free. How messy is it there? I'm pretty sure it's very messy because here it's very messy. I have this and Okay, here as you can see, I did something sort of like a flower. It has like 3 big spaces, and then I'll just continue this part and just take it along with the wave. So I'll be here, and I'll just go like this and connect it with my wave here. And I'll do more of that because I liked it. I'll do it somewhere lower now. I'm just doing this. Did you see? I did this part, and then you can do one in the middle like this, and then you can do one more here like this. And now you're gonna do is just remove the middle part, and yeah. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Okay, this happened. It doesn't look amazing, but it's okay. We're just gonna take it down, make our wave, and just come back here. Kinda looks pretty, not gonna lie. Kinda looks pretty. I'm gonna do some more waves from here because I don't have anything on this side. Just like I did before. I'll do another flower here. This is completely different kind of flower. I don't know what it is, but it's completely different. Here's my flower, here's the wave, it's connected with the other waves. I'll do a few more waves here, and then we are done. Finito. Guys, it's done. Whew. So here is my candle. As you can see, I want it to look okay. As you can see, the petals. Okay, it looks a bit weird, but in real life it looks better than the camera, I swear. Okay, it looks very interesting. It looks nice. I can't wait to decorate it. Now all we have to do is just snip the top part. I think it says 1 centimeter, so I'm just going to cut it here, and now we can let it up. I will show you guys how I'm decorating it. I'll be using something from a previous video, and yeah, keep watching and you'll see the result. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. For the big announcement I have, so I am starting my own brand, and I'll be posting twice a week, not once but twice, and I will be customizing garments. I will be doing this kind of videos probably every once and then, but for now I really want to focus on my own brand. You guys can watch me do it, and you can maybe go buy them afterwards, maybe not. You see if you like them. I'm really happy about this because it's something I always wanted to do, and you guys can join me on this journey. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can like this video and subscribe, push those notifications on so you can you can get a notification whenever I post. You can also follow me on my Instagram, I'll put it here. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time, which is on Friday. Bye.